Welcome to Ms. Gualtieri's transition class here at Royal Palm School. We've been selling the wooden fish here at Royal Palm School since October. Each fish is really made with a lot of love and dedication. The wooden fish are painted and they're decorated and they're used as home decor, and the word is just kind of spreading. We had no idea it was going to get this big, but we're very excited and it's super fun. I'm really excited to be at Royal Palm School. The students in our class have graduated through the 12th grade. They're now in the transition program and they learn life skills, they learn social skills, personal care skills, pre-vocational job skills, and getting them ready to be in the community after they leave Royal Palm School. We're working. It's great to see the students' abilities flourish. They're excited to sell the fish to their family, friends.
It's fun.
If you're interested in purchasing fish, you can contact Royal Palm School and we will make sure that you get some wonderful fish.